I have something to tell you.
Yes?
David, something wrong. I love you!
David, I love you too. David. Oh, don't worry, I'll go soldier Japan.
Wow, it's the Empire State Building. Let me explain this in language you understand. That is not the Empire State Building. That is the entirety of the state of California.
Gromit! Wake up, Gromit! Come on, Gromit! We've got to hide the body! There's no cheese and crackers in prison, Gromit!
But the hues in our hair complement one another. I'd sell my own bones for sapphire stones, 'cause blue's your favorite color.
He's looking for a dog.
Smell that fresh mountain air.
Did you find your bitch in me? Oh, you're abominable socially. You're just a little bit too much like me.
I'm not nobody's housewife.
Make me a sandwich!
Bitch, you are gonna get in this car or I'm popping between your eyes.
Wait, I know you! I saw your dick on Twitter!
I'm just one woman. I can't be expected to take care of stupid children and all you campers. Come on, David. I know two people who can cheer you up.
Ben and Jerry.
Ben and Jerry.
Anyway, all the girls are looking fine. You're the only one on my mind. La-da-dee, la-da-da-doo, la-da-da-me, la-da-da-you. La-da-dee, la-da-da-doo, there's only me.
Why does everybody always hate me? You should just forgive me already! Why does everybody always hate me?
Oh.
Wow.